Hello. Welcome to Travel English. Top 10 TH sounds. Part 2. From the Master English Learning Series. Be sure to give a like, subscribe, and repeat after me. And here we go. North, south, northern, southern, weather, leather, smooth, think, thought, throw. Great! Let's try some sentences. The first word is leather. Number 1. He packed his leather suitcase for the trip. Number 2. The leather seats on the plane were comfortable. Number 3. She bought a leather passport holder at the market. The next word is smooth. Number 1. She ran her hand over the smooth table surface. Number 2. He made a smooth transition to his new job. Number 3. The smoothie was blended perfectly smooth. The next word is think. Number 1. I need to think carefully before deciding. Number 2. They think the movie starts at 8. Number 3. She stopped to think about her answer. The next word is thought. Number 1. He shared a thought about the project. Number 2. The thought of snow excited the kids. Number 3. She was lost in deep thought all morning. The next word is throw. Number 1. He can throw a football with great accuracy. Number 2. Don't throw your toys across the room. Number 3. They throw a big festival every spring. Great. Let's do a quick review of our words. North, south, northern, southern, weather, leather, smooth, think, thought, throw. Excellent! You're doing great! You are now on your way to being a native speaker. Please give a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share with your friends. Check the links below on how to become a member of our growing community. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.